क्या अच्छे पूरा थोड़ी पूरा कौन खाता है भाई, मुंह पूरा जम जाएगा मेरा। नहीं नहीं सिस्टर, मैं इस ब्रांड को प्रमोट नहीं करना चाहता। इट जस्ट हैज 22 कैलोरीज। वेट क्या टेस्ट है ही नहीं, जीरो। प्रॉपर घी भर के 20 grams in one packet is very good.
I feel like there are better alternatives for diabetic people.
ये क्या हुआ भाई, तो तू सबको बता रही मैं दारू पीता हूँ।
How did you make it for me वो बता। उन्होंने completely शक्कर नहीं निकाली है because honey है।
दारू पीनी है वो दारू ही पिएगा, फिर वो ये क्यों पिएगा। दिस इज
Oh my god, this has 19 grams of protein. अच्छा बना ना।
चिकन अब ऐसे लगता है, समझ रही है।
मैं बोल रही हूँ तो दिस इज कर रहा है।
चोको आलमंड ब्लिस। जो मैं ईद में खाता हूँ ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं,
वो क्या था, रिज क्या था उसका नाम,
किसो छपरी। किसी की तो याद दिला रहा है, पता नहीं किसकी।
चोको 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 व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, चोको नहीं ना। एव ब्रदर, आई गो फर्स्ट, टॉप 3
ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं।
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Pravleen.
And I'm Rahul.
Today we're trying all of these healthy products
That we saw on Shark Tank.
हमने अलग अलग क्राइटेरिया से बहुत सारी थिंग्स ऑर्डर की है. We're going to rate the taste,
The amount of protein that the product has and the packaging.
because हम लोग दोनों भी एक नाइस हेल्दी जर्नी के अंदर आए हैं in 2026.
चल झूठा।
We are trying.
Yes, so we thought that हम लोग अलग अलग ब्रांड्स ट्राई करें जो हमने देखे हैं to see if we can actually use them as a consumer on day-to-day basis.
Correct.
So if you want to know what all these brands are, इसका taste कैसा है, then definitely keep on watching. If this is the first time that you are seeing us, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Hit the notification bell.
So every time we upload a video, you guys are notified. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let's start with the first brand.
So the first brand is My PB, and this product is pure peanut butter powder. So you have to mix this powder with water to make peanut butter. So we'll try this, and now she will tell you about the ingredients.
So this has 8 grams protein in per serving. I'm not sure per serving
हाँ
तो नहीं
लिखा है,
होगा.
हाँ
ये सिर्फ 8 grams protein लिखा
अरे
है.
ऐसे नहीं होता है, देख 16 grams per serve और उसमें तेरा प्रोटीन है 8 grams, समझा।
ये ब्रांड एक्चुअली में वायरल इसलिए हुआ था क्योंकि दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वी सीन पीनट बटर इन अ पाउडर्ड फॉर्म.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
एंड इसके अंदर यू हैव टू पुट वाटर एंड वो ऐसा पेस्ट जैसा लाइक एक्चुअल पीनट बटर जैसा बन जाता है. एवरी सर्व ऑफ दिस, मतलब अगर आप इसको एक स्पून में ऐसे निकाल के सर्व करोगे, एवरी सर्व हैज 8 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन विच इज
वेरी गुड
एंड वेरी मच. मतलब आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट
मच
इट. इट्स अ लॉट. मैंने नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि एक सर्व में इतना प्रोटीन मिलेगा इन पीनट बटर. इट्स 100% पीनट्स एंड एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग एल्स. एंड जो नॉर्मल
ऐसे है क्या?
हाँ,
ओके.
it has 80% less fat because I think probably because वो powdered form में है, तो the way they've made it, I think it's really interesting. So how you have to use it is basically take 2 tablespoons of My PB and then उसके अंदर 1.5 tablespoon of water and you have to stir it and वैसे ये एक smooth paste मिल जाएगा. It's gluten free, high in protein, minimum calories, no cholesterol, fiber rich, no trans fat, dairy free, all natural.
तो इसको ब्रेड पे लगा के खा सकते हैं, इसको शेक बना के पी सकते हैं और इसको बेक कर सकते हैं लाइक अ केक.
Nice. I actually love using having peanut butter with biscuits also. Like I scoop it and then I have it. So let's taste this. ऐसे ही we'll taste it.
You taste.
No, what's your taste? अच्छे से खा.
क्या अच्छे पूरा थोड़ी
Once-
कौन खाता है भाई, मुंह पूरा जम जाएगा मेरा. It is actually very healthy. Unlike मतलब it's not sweet और peanuts जैसे ही टेस्ट आ रहा है. Peanut paste.
Proper peanuts को crush करके कैसे होगा? It's exactly like that. It has zero sugar.
It's extremely healthy, so it won't taste as good as the peanut butters जिसमें sugar होता है, oil होता है, but it's good.
But it's good. मतलब it's actually like peanut butter only. But इसके अंदर probably if we add like 1 drop of stevia or monk fruit तो फिर उसका taste
will be
yummy हो
better.
जाएगा.
Yes, yes.
Because as it is, it's actually like peanut butter only, but सिर्फ sweet नहीं है और heavy नहीं है जो normally peanut butters होते हैं. Consistency is very light on the
Nice.
stomach and you're
How
also
could
getting.
you know about stomach now?
अरे
Taste क्या बोल भाई?
अरे खाने के अंदर पता चलता है ना, heavy नहीं लग रहा है, light लग रहा है, ऐसा बोल रहे हो. So how much will you rate this out of 10?
टेस्ट के मामले में 6 out of 10.
Okay. I think I will also rate it like
And healthy way में I think 8, 9.
I think I will rate it maybe a 5
On taste
on taste.
and health wise.
Health wise, I think it's a
It's
9.
clean.
It's
Yeah.
nice. Matlab, it's an acquired taste. If people love having peanut butter, so they will love it as an alternative. But you need to add some sort of sweetness to it.
If you want, नहीं तो you can try and if you
हाँ.
like it then you can use
मतलब
it
मुझे
as
नॉर्मली
it is.
बहुत मीठा खाने की हैबिट है पीनट बटर जैसे नॉर्मली जो मुझे याद रहते हैं तो ये बहुत डिफरेंट है उससे बट ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव
Good for health.
ओके द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 450 रुपीज विच इज एक्चुअली रियली गुड बिकॉज आई थिंक आराम से इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारा सर्विंग्स निकल जाएंगे एंड इफ यू लाइक पीनट बटर देन आई थिंक यू विल रियली एंजॉय दिस The next brand we're reviewing is this brand called Awesome and they make Better Bakes Walnut.
Brownie.
So this is a Better Bakes Walnut Brownie.
So it helps in immune defense,
And
healthy gut and digestion, help manage occasional stress.
मतलब जिन लोग को स्ट्रेस ईटिंग जो लोग काफ़ी लोग करते हैं आई थिंक उसके लिए इट्स गुड बिकॉज इट्स अ ब्राउनी एंड
It's enriched with clinically proven ingredients like
Oh my god, this has 19 grams of protein and it has no refined sugar and it's high in fiber, which is, it says that it boosts immunity, mood and focus. It has Brahmi, ginseng, Wellmune. I think that's like a proprietor. I think वो एक उनका trademark वाला कुछ ingredient
ingredients
है
there.
जो उन्होंने डाला है. There's ashwagandha, there's cow ghee, dark chocolate, whole wheat flour, and we have honey. So basically it's not like it does not have sugar. It's just not refined. Like powder वाला जो हमारा normal sugar होता है वो नहीं है. But इसका price क्या है? 100 rupees है ये.
100 है.
This is for 65 rupees, which is normal protein.
Very good. For a protein rich brownie. It's
Yeah,
good.
19 grams of protein is great.
क्या क्यों हाँ क्योंकि protein shakes also cost 115 ऐसे.
हाँ.
हाँ, it's good. Super Yoga भी protein bar which has 20 grams protein is of 120.
It actually looks like
A brownie.
proper
Comes in a
brownie.
spoon.
It actually looks like a brownie, and now I'm very excited to try it.
It smells also good.
Yeah, it smells good, and it's fudgy. जैसे अंदर इसको ऐसे डाला तो proper it's breaking like a brownie. ये बराबर से खाया उसे proper in full.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Mild sweet and nice.
19 grams वे.
किसी की तो याद दिला रहा है पता नहीं किसकी. ऐसा मैं कुछ तो खाता था बचपन में.
It's like Monjani's का छोटा muffin.
Right.
It's so tasty. It's really tasty. I love it.
उसमें मिर्च डाल के खा सकते हैं अच्छा लगेगा.
आपने मॉन्जनीस के वो चॉकलेट ब्राउन छोटे छोटे मफिन आते थे पहले 5 रुपए के. आई थिंक नाउ इट्स बिकम लाइक 20 रुपीज.
This bomb.
It tastes exactly like that. I think the brand Better Bakes is basically they've added protein in it, but उन्होंने completely शक्कर नहीं निकाली है because honey है instead of sugar. That's why I think it's better and better for your body and better in terms of your healthier choices. Not like completely like sugar free and like ऐसा.
No added sugar ना.
No added sugar but honey है ना पूरे उसके अंदर dark chocolate है honey है. तो मतलब मीठा नेचुरल शुगर है बट ऐसे नहीं कि हनी डज नॉट गिव यू लाइक अ शुगर स्पाइक. सो वंस इन अ व्हाइल आई थिंक चॉकलेट्स और नॉर्मल वो सब चीजों को पिक करने की जगह पे दे कैन गो फॉर दिस.
जिसको ज्यादा प्रोटीन अपना प्रोटीन इंटेक खत्म करना है.
नो एवरी टाइम आई वांट टू ईट यू कैन ऑर्डर दिस फॉर मी.
मैम सो टेस्ट में रेट कर आउट ऑफ 10.
आई थिंक इट्स अ 9.5 डेफिनेटली.
सेम 9.5 for me because I felt like eating it again.
या.
And you are so actually hogging. So this is the third.
The next brand, so I say the next brand we have is ऐसा.
The next brand that we have is Three Sisters.
These are non-alcoholic beer. I've never had beer, so I don't know. He must know उसका preference के हिसाब से.
तो सबको बता रही मैं दारू पीता हूँ.
सबको पता है तू दारू पीता है.
Let's try non-alcoholic beer. तू दांत से खोलेगी?
नहीं. मेरे videos है. It's 0.0 group.
Dude, it's fizzy AF.
It's so fizzy.
Three Sisters. Cheers. अरे छोड़ ना इसको बाद में कर. It's so fizzy.
Like it's giving you that beer wala ye na.
No,
Beer is not that fizzy.
it is, but let's see अभी taste के हिसाब से.
मेरा तो नहीं हुआ. So I have the peach mango non-alcoholic one.
And I have cranberry.
दोनों के अंदर 0% alcohol है. Like what's the brand about? I'm not understanding. Like why?
Non-alcoholic drink, just to celebrate without getting drunk.
Contains flavored natural like अच्छा ठीक है.
Basically to give
It
you a
has
feels.
normal sugar. Like it's not healthy. It
Ah.
just does not have alcohol.
Yeah,
So
just a drink to replace alcohol.
like thumbs up only because इसके अंदर sugar भी है. It's not even non-sugar.
Calorie इसमें कम है. Yes, only 43 calories.
Oh.
That's nice. क्योंकि beer में ज़्यादा होता है 150 200.
So someone who probably wants to like stop having beer and wants to shift to something like this, then they will have the feeling of having a beer, but
Without alcohol.
and with less calories. So in that
Yes.
sense, it's nice.
Yeah.
But it does have sugar. But sugar भी काफी कम है actually. 11
हाँ,
grams.
7 grams है इसमें तो.
इसमें 11 grams है.
But very good, moderate.
Like-
Cheers. ये तो निकले ही जा रहा है भाई. Three Sisters has a lot of fizz. But ठीक है, it's nice. Taste is nice. You liked it? Bomb.
It's like वो क्या था? Riz क्या था उसका नाम?
Breezers.
Breezer. It's exactly like Breezer, but उसमें भी थोड़ा अल्कोहल होता था.
हाँ.
इसमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And it's fizzy, it's nice, it's tasty. मतलब
Yeah.
it can be a good
Alternative.
good alternative to have with your alcohol also. ये वैसा है.
अबे ये थोड़ी promote करना है.
अच्छा ठीक है अभी switch कर.
I'll try this. चल. Peach mango.
Mine is tastier.
Much better. 9 on 10, 8 on 10.
Yeah, I didn't like it इतना.
Why? Cranberry I like.
थोड़ा उसमें मतलब
Cranberry is like
पेपर
caramel.
जैसा टेस्ट. इसका first hit of taste is not that great, but eventually it
If you like
actually.
cranberry, then you'll like it.
But this is so really tasty. Like actual में it's peach mango and it's very tasty. Per bottle is for 79 rupees.
Which is very good.
Yeah, beer के सामने तो it's काफी cheap. Beer कितने की आती है?
150. Half. 150, 200 तक आती है. But इतना pint will cost around 150 only.
But will be half the price basically.
Half calories as well.
Half
Better
calories.
taste.
Better taste.
And no alcohol.
People will be like हमें दारू भी नहीं हम एक ही पी
जिसको दारू पीनी है वो दारू ही पिएगा फिर वो ये क्यों पिएगा. This is for someone who is trying to quit alcohol ना.
But then that's a very small category.
What do you want भाई? You want people to drink?
I don't want them to drink.
What
I'm just thinking
brand
like what
जो है वो
is
बोल खत्म कर भाई. Comparatively it has lesser
तेरा हाथ
calories.
तेरे मुंह के नीचे रख. I don't know why you putting it on
अरे
your
I was
face.
comfortable like this.
But you are doing this. See again.
मैं इस ब्रांड को प्रमोट नहीं करना चाहता.
I think it's a good product.
भाई ये अच्छा ये अपन हटा क्यों नहीं रहे?
तूने बोला रहने दे.
क्यों?
I think health benefit wise, I don't think इतना कुछ है.
हाँ.
Definitely it's lesser in terms of normal fizzy drinks. Less calories, less sugar.
So basically it's a better alternative if you want to get the feels of a beer but without alcohol. So it's nice because it has less calories and less sugar than the other soft drinks like Thumbs Up or Coke.
I like this flavor. I didn't like that flavor that much. So peach mango.
I like both. पीना है क्या?
This is Goat Life. This is probably the only brand that we have tried
Before.
of. हाँ पहले भी हमने
Yeah.
इसको use किया हुआ है. And
This is extremely good. Extremely good. Very tasty.
like I remember हम लोग मैं एक दिन I had a really like long day and सुबह फटफट मुझे बहुत भूख लगी हुई थी.
फटफट.
And then he like a cutie made this फटफट.
He's so chapri.
He made it for me and ऐसे को मेरे को लेके उसने दिया and then फिर मैं काफी टाइम तक मेरा पेट भरा ही हुआ था. I did not feel hungry at all.
Yeah.
And
And
it's
it has
so tasty. It's so tasty. I love it.
प्लस इसमें प्रोटीन भी बहुत अच्छा
ज़्यादा
है.
है.
ज़्यादा है. 20 grams in one packet is very good and you can have this in the morning for breakfast and it's very good to consume protein in your first meal.
Correct.
And
So-
it's very tasty, no added sugar. It's sweetened by I think jaggery, which is again very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jaggery है इसमें.
हाँ.
So this strawberry variant has 10 grams of protein. Chocolate
The
variant
Mocha Marvel has 20 grams.
and the choco hazelnut has
Choco.
Choco. Choco. What do you call it? Choco only, na? Yeah, what do you call it?
Choco.
Chocos.
The goat life, the chapri life.
The Choco hazelnut के अंदर भी you only have 10 grams. I love the fact that it has chia seeds, flax seeds, which is very good for someone like me because I have PCOS. तो health benefits इसके काफी अच्छे हैं.
And this is high in fiber as well, so it can help your gut issues also.
True. And इसको there are two ways to go goat is how they put it on every single package. How did you make it for me? वो बता.
वो तो you can just put it in your shaker and shake it with water, 250 ml of water. That's it.
That is one
if you
way to
want
have it.
to have it ऐसे quickly ASAP, but if you want to have it like ऐसे oats या pudding types, then you can keep it in your then you can refrigerate it overnight.
Yeah, so those are the
And
two
add
ways to have
milk,
it.
250-200 ml milk,
150 ml milk. If
and
you
that
want
is
to...
that is better. We have tried that. है ना?
Yeah, it was so good.
वो oats पूरा ऐसे
Fluffy हो गए थे.
हाँ pudding ऐसे nice smoothie you are having in the morning ऐसे था bomb
Yeah.
था.
It's really nice.
Yeah,
मतलब we
so
were shocked
very
at
tasty.
how tasty it was. I think हम लोग बहुत biased हो
चल
गए.
let's try now. Which one is this?
I think this is the
Which flavor is
mocha
this?
marble.
So this is we are trying mocha marble.
So अंदर actual में you see oats. I think
Has
हमने
20
जो
of
flavor try
protein.
किया था वो mango भी था.
नहीं, that was this.
No mango था babe, तूने mango मंगाया था.
हाँ mango भी है. चल
एक
खिला.
mango था एक chocolate था.
सब अच्छे थे. Let's try mocha.
But this they've made it into a normal like bowl. Usually how he made it for me was in a smoothie, in a shaker form. How was it?
Bomb. For coffee lovers, this is the best. Bomb taste है. Very good.
And it's so filling. एक तुमने खा लिया, I think for half a day you are sorted because 20 grams of protein.
Half a day नहीं.
Half a
It
day,
can
यार.
replace your evening snack or breakfast.
Yeah, so when I had breakfast, we usually only have brunch. So we don't have 2 meals. So मेरे लिए it was perfect. Then I directly had थोड़ा snacks in the evening at say 5 o'clock, and then I was sorted.
So this is for 99 rupees each.
And this is still way better, I feel, to consume than a normal like protein
shake.
bar.
हाँ.
And also a protein shake because वो काफी लोगों को कड़वी लगती है, नहीं इतना easily like digest होती है. यहाँ पे you have fiber, you also have
Plus
chia
this
seeds.
can keep you full for a longer period of time.
Yeah, and 99 is a good price point for.
Yeah. हाँ 100 rupees के तो protein shakes ही आते हैं. So 20 grams for a nice breakfast smoothie bowl is very good.
So
And taste wise 10 on 10.
taste wise 10 on 10. I think
9 या 10 ही होगा. सब flavors 9 या 10 होगा. Very good.
my preferred flavor was the mango one that I tried, and there was another chocolate one जिसमें भी
Yeah.
20 grams protein था. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty था.
Very very yummy.
But we will have to taste the other two to understand उसका flavor. But
3
we know that it will be nice. only.
हाँ 3-4 try किया सब अच्छे थे. Very nice.
Health wise also I think it's a great like 9.5 10 on 10 for me, and
Correct.
taste wise also I think it's a 10.
Yes.
So really
Love
good
it.
brand. Great find from Shark Tank.
Yes. Good life.
So the next brand we have is this called Mr. Veg.
Soya chop full of taste.
It's called Mr. Veg and it is for 255 rupees. It's काफी बड़ा वो जो रसगुल्ला का डब्बा होता है.
It is very difficult to open. इसको खोलने के लिए you'll need proper वो can opener type कुछ तो चाहिए. हम लोगों ने तो कैसे इसको खोला है.
Yeah,
To try.
it was very difficult to
That's why,
open, and it basically has 100% soya,
Yeah.
zero maida, zero wheat, zero gluten. So again, really good for health. And then you can also make like base क्या है उसका बनाने के? Yeah, you can basically make it into. You can make curry gravy out of it. You can roast it, toast it, grill it, and you can also fry it. Like all
It's
days.
vegan.
Yeah, it's vegan, and because it has more fiber, then it's better for digestion, of course. And it's 100% soya, so it's 100% protein packed. That is what is written on ye. Now let's taste it. This
Looks
is what.
like this. Looks like meat only, but it's vegan.
How's it?
No.
It's quite soft.
Juicy.
I
It's juicy.
expected it to be
हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा chewy ना.
hard and rubbery.
हाँ it's not. It's very
It's very good quality.
हाँ
है ना?
It actually, because I'm a non-vegetarian, I know. Actually, non-veg जैसा ही लग रहा है.
हाँ.
You can get a, she's vegetarian, so she can get a feel of chicken, I think. पूरा ही खा गई बंदी यार. She likes chicken.
They've made it in a way where ऐसे उसमें lines है, तो I think it's easier for the masalas to go inside.
Yeah.
But it's very tasty. Like our Didi has made it very nicely. But the quality of soya is really good, which I did not expect. The packaging is definitely an issue because difficult to open, difficult to keep the product. Like अगर निकालना डालना है बहुत झंझट. मतलब हम लोग तोड़ रहे थे, वो टूट भी नहीं रहा था और निकाल के हमने डाला. तो I think to preserve it, they must have gone for this, but it's a little difficult. But if you're getting a product like this, and if you're probably like a chicken, like a non-vegetarian person, and अगर आप vegetarian बनना चाहते हैं, या if you want to go for a gluten-free diet,
you are a vegan person.
Yeah, you will really like it. No meat, no eggs. It's only plant-based.
It has 26 grams of protein in 100 grams.
And this is how much grams? This is
400
500 grams.
This is 500 grams का can, and इसका 100 gram contains around 26 gram protein, which is good. Nice. She is to loving it.
अच्छा बना है ना?
Chicken अब ऐसे लगता है, समझ रही है?
छोड़ रहे थे?
मैं क्यों छोड़ूँ?
अच्छी चली गई.
So the taste will be 8 on 10.
I think इसका कोई taste नहीं है.
हाँ,
It's how
जैसे
she's
मसाले
made
लगा
it.
हुआ ऐसे.
So I will say that the quality of it, the quality of soya was very good. So I will definitely give it a 9. And health benefits के हिसाब से भी I think it's a great for if vegetarians want to have a feeling of trying chicken but not उनका धर्म ब्रश नहीं करना है, उनके लिए अच्छा option है.
Yes.
And it has great health benefits also because it's 100% soya. So I will 100% say that this is like a 9 on 10 for me because मुझे taste तो काफी अच्छा लगा.
It's very good.
It's very fresh. It's easy to eat. It's not that rubbery. It's not इतना
It's
chewy.
juicy.
It's juicy and it's chewy.
Not chewy.
It's
भाई.
not chewy. It's juicy
and nice.
And it's very fresh.
Yeah.
And proper like chicken वाली feels आ रही है. ऐसे राहुल बोल रहा है.
It's
So
juicy. Yeah.
so-
Chicken almost
yeah. So I will give it a 9 on 10. How much will you give it?
8 on 10. Because preparation पे भी है ना.
हाँ, ये तो हमने सब मसाले डाल के बनवाया है. But there are multiple ways to make it. So
So the next brand is Stru, mind blowing protein fuel. So इसके protein क्या बोलते हैं bars है. इसमें 20 ग्राम प्रोटीन है in one bar, which is very nice.
I think
And it's
purposely
for
chocolate के अंदर
125 rupees.
chocolate के flavor में I think usually you get 20 grams of protein because बाकी flavors के अंदर it's always 10 grams of protein for some reason.
So it's nice. No preservatives, no artificial sweetener, no trans fat, no artificial color, no cholesterol.
120
Wow.
grams is a little too much, na?
No, it's good for 20
Like
grams.
goat is for 100, so
20 grams ही है ना, पर इसमें प्रोटीन बार है, so it boosts metabolism, gluten free, total amino profile, natural antioxidants, muscle growth and repair.
it's
Nice.
reminding me of that muscle blaze, not muscle blaze, max protein के जैसा.
Looks wet.
Yeah, it's like wet and oily.
Smells good. Try करके बता. I think it will be like peanut butter only.
Yeah, it's peanut, but I thought that it'll have cookie वाला taste
And this
क्योंकि
is
मैं बोल रही हूँ तो this is कर रहा है.
Choco Almond Bliss.
This is Cookie Crunch Delight. This has 10 grams of protein. That has 20. Let's taste it. Check.
It looks wet. Taste is okay,
I really like the taste of this.
but healthy things are not as tasty, so it's fine.
ये exactly max protein का या whole truth का एक आता है जहाँ पे it breaks into your mouth and it literally becomes like a powder inside. वो ऊपर stick हो जाता है in your mouth. इसका texture is exactly like that, but it's very comfortable to eat. Because I have a problem with more protein powder जिसके अंदर होता है ना in like खाने वाली चीजें, वो हमेशा protein से चिपक जाती है अंदर, एकदम sticky होती है.
ये 20 ग्राम का शायद तो जैसा लगे.
तो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं stick हो रहा. It's very comfortable to eat.
This is also good. इतना वो chewy नहीं है. मतलब nice ना?
I really liked it.
उसके वो बहुत सारा घी लगा हुआ ऐसा लग रहा है.
नहीं उसमें भी होता ही है ऐसा.
See?
It's very tasty. I really liked it.
Eat them. You like every food.
I really liked it. For
taste
20
is
grams
very
of protein and this flavor, like it's very handy. You can travel with it also. Pura din if you're out and if you want a snack, rather than munching on like a chocolate, it's better to go for something like this, which is also tasty, also has protein
And very healthy.
Very healthy and very easy to consume. इतना चिपक नहीं रहा है मेरे मुंह में.
So nice.
गुड आई रियली लाइक बोथ द फ्लेवर्स दोनों काफी अच्छे हैं
और ये आसान है खाने के लिए।
हाँ,
बाकी
ये-
सब बिखर बिखर जाता है यार।
हाँ लाइक ऐसे भूसा हो जाता है बाकी के जो होते हैं ये
हाँ, इसका लगता है इसलिए इट्स वेट बिकॉज़
it's
nice.
wet he is meaning in a way where it's looking like उसके बाहर ऐसे ऑयल लग रहा है
It's good. और उसके बाद से मे बी इट्स नॉट ऐसे falling apart.
बिखर नहीं रहा
है ना?
so the
Oh.
10 grams of protein is only for 44 rupees which is really
Very
good.
And this is for 81 rupees. So bomb. 20 grams in 80 rupees is
No,
very
no,
good.
no, no, it's wrong. पीछे इसकी 70 rupees है.
So 100 to 125 MRP है ये चॉकलेट वाले का and we are getting it for 81 which is very good. So 20 grams in 80 rupees is very good.
Yeah, and this is like 10 grams of protein. It's shown that it's for 70 rupees, but when we ordered, we got it for 44 rupees. So I think that's also really, really good. Matlab, the taste is very good.
True.
You will not feel like you're having protein. It's quite tasty. So for me, though, I feel it's a great like. I will
9
give it
on
as
10.
Yeah, I will give it a 9.5, 10 also on 10. I really liked it. मुझे बहुत कम प्रोटीन बार्स पसंद आते हैं because टेस्ट इतना अच्छा नहीं होता, बहुत पाउडरी होता है.
हाँ, this is
This tastes
mildly
really
sweet.
good.
हाँ.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
Plus इसमें nuts है तो I like.
Yeah, for me it's a 9.5 in flavor also, and even health benefits के हिसाब से I think it's great. So
Yeah.
a great addition, definitely we will buy this and
Well done,
use
Stroom.
it. Stroom, good find.
Yeah.
The next brand we have is Seafoy and Co. We have tried this brand पहले भी because I think कोई एक brand ने हमें उनके hamper में ये डाला हुआ था. It's
It just has 22 calories.
which is really good. It's basically Indian tonic water and it's low calorie and it's made with zero preservatives, no artificial sweeteners and no flavoring. मतलब right this इसमें flavoring ऐसे लिखा हुआ है. It's sparkling Himalayan drink and it's very naturally light and balanced on the stomach as well.
So basically you can use these solo and with use it as a mixer as well.
Yeah.
With your alcoholic beverage.
Yeah, because when I remember last time I think कोई और raspberry types कोई flavor था जो आया था and
Lemon था ना?
नहीं lemon हमने अभी recently try किया था. पहले जो first time मैंने पिया था that was raspberry, so वो mixer के हिसाब से like everyone was really liking it, so nice.
Solo, let's see how it is. ये क्या हुआ भाई?
It's कड़वा.
Tonic water is कड़वा only.
Yeah. ज़्यादा कड़वा है.
But ठीक है.
अपने last time जब भी पिया था वो ऐसा नहीं था.
Gin.
Yeah.
So gin.
I think the flavor that we tried last time was not like this because that was very comfortable and nice taste wise. This is a little
Bitter.
bitter. It's fizzy. It's definitely light on the stomach, but taste wise, it's quite
But
okay.
I think it is supposed to be mixed with alcohol. That's why maybe it tastes like this.
हो सकता है.
क्या लिखा है बता?
Mixer ही है,
22
देखना लिखा हुआ है.
calories only and there is a little bit of sugar.
Premium botanical mixers.
Mixers.
Mm.
So it is for mixers only.
Yeah, I think the one that we tried last time.
that was also a mixer, but because it was lemon,
Yeah, it was
इसलिए
very
वो ऐसे ही
tasty.
पीने में भी it was okay.
Yeah.
But
इसका
this is
flavor नहीं
tonic
समझ
water.
रहे.
Tonic water.
नाम ही tonic water है.
Yeah.
So this we don't like. We tried the lemonade one and that was
Gin.
very tasty.
People who drink gin will love this, I think.
Yeah.
Gin and tonic is a combo, no?
Yeah.
That's why. So you guys can try this. This is for 83 rupees, which is very good.
Which is good only price per
Low
piece
on
of-
calories. That's nice.
Yeah, and the one that we had tried, there was this raspberry or bubblegum flavor, I'm not sure, and there was the lemon flavor. Both were really tasty and very nice to have on its own also, and also when everyone had it with alcohol, Toby, it was very tasty. So
Yes.
we really liked it. So I think this taste-wise, I did not like it, so probably like a 5. But the lemon one that I've tried, I will definitely give it like an 8 or an 8.5. And health-wise also, it's good because it's low calorie.
But if you mix it with alcohol, it's not good for health, no?
But
But basically, idea is that this brand makes mixers for alcohol.
yeah, मतलब rather than having a Limca or
Yeah.
a
Comparatively
Mangola
high
and
calorie drink,
Yeah.
so it can replace.
Sepoy and Co.
Yeah.
You did not rate it.
Wait, क्या taste है ही नहीं, zero.
अरे दे ना.
But it's not, उसको taste से बोलना ही नहीं.
हमने
mixer
सबको
है.
रेट किया तो रेट कर.
So the taste, सिर्फ इसका taste technically ऐसे नहीं पिया जाता है, but सिर्फ अगर इसको पीते हैं तो इसका taste because it's tonic water, it's bitter, so obviously 2 on 10.
2 on 10.
Yeah, what taste? Bitter. It's just bitter.
Yeah, I also didn't like it.
Rate out of 10.
I तो gave नहीं, you have to give.
क्या? How much did you give?
I gave like health benefits के हिसाब से it's 8.5. Even taste wise, the ones that I've tried, वो 8.5 है मेरे हिसाब से. But this I did not like. The next brand we have is Laddu Bar.
Why did you say burr?
I read it as a ulta, so I thought it's Laddu Bur. It's basically a cute auntie making laddus with khajur and akhrot और ऐसे सब photos है. Very cute packaging, I really liked it. And it has source of protein, rich in dietary fiber, trans fat free, and it also is a source of iron. एक box के अंदर 6 लड्डू बार आते हैं, and it has zero added sugar, 100% natural ingredients. Now,
Let's try one laddu.
Now 100% natural ingredients meaning that it has खजूर का sweets, मतलब dates का
It
जो
has dates, dry fruits, that's it.
हाँ मतलब it's dry fruit. घर पे कैसे मॉम्स कैसे लड्डू में बनाती है,
हाँ, रागी है, old रागी,
Millet
बाजरा
है.
है, and cow ghee.
wholesome millet laddu bar.
100% mother's wisdom.
It's giving very motherly vibes only, but cute packaging.
Let's try laddu.
See, it's like this, very cute. I really like it.
It's good.
Recipes from real दादीज उषा जी ने बनाया है, ये ऐसा लिखा है.
नमस्ते उषा जी.
सबकी फोटोज है उसपे, सब पे अलग अलग फोटोज है क्या?
बता था.
नहीं, ये सब उषा जी ने बनाया है.
Usha ji is the laddu bar.
Laddu bar maker.
Laddu bar's founder.
Oh, the brands, हाँ, recipes from real daddies, Usha ji only. Mrs. Usha Shrotriya, a devoted cook and learner, mastered Gond laddus from her mother-in-law during her motherhood, and तभी से उन्होंने बनाना start किया. Really cute. अब दादी ने
It smells like crazy. It's like वो क्या बोलते हैं?
अंजीर बर्फी.
No, it's like that. जो मैं ईद में खाता हूँ ना, वो क्या बोलते हैं?
देखा?
हो. If it's good, I
ओह,
will love it. ये क्या
जो
बोलते हैं?
तुझे
डबल
खजूर
का
का
मीठा. नहीं, वो जो मिलता है, वो घी में बना हुआ वो जो.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
पता नहीं, खाने दो.
मुस्लिम लोग ईद में मिलता है. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Nice.
घर का बना हुआ. It's actually like that only.
अफलातून का जैसा ये प्रोडक्ट.
ये सबके घर पे पता है, वो देते हैं ना मिठाई के अंदर भी ऐसे वो खजूर और उसके अंदर सब काजू वाजू सब डाल के.
इट स्मेल्स लाइक अफलातून.
It tastes also like that only. Tastes good. I like it.
अफलातून मिठाई होती है वैसे.
मेरा preferred choice नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे इतने काजू बादाम चीजें इतनी नहीं पसंद. But it's very tasty.
It's healthy.
It's healthy. It's tasty. It's very घरेलू मतलब. If you're going on a trip or if like guests are coming over या if you just want to carry something in your bag for the day, like an extra sweet, you know, खाने के बाद में लोगों को एक last मीठा खाने की काफी आदत होती है. उन लोगों के लिए it's very nice.
Maybe for sugar patients.
Sugar patients के लिए they will never recommend something that has खजूर.
Oh, then not.
Because sugar like
I don't know added sugar, no. 9.3 grams natural sugar.
हाँ तो देख almonds, pistachios, cashew, groundnuts, ragi, bajra, cow ghee.
Gluten free, diabetic friendly. See, fiber loaded, sustained energy, nutrient dense. Nice.
Nice. Good.
So yeah, it's for diabetic people only ना. कैसे मीठा खाने का मन है तो use
खा सकते हैं.
Sugar craving के लिए अच्छा.
काफी nice. And actually में it's dense मतलब it's a heavy ये
Proper ghee.
भर के.
But
But it's nice. I like it. Taste wise, how much will you give
8 on
it?
10.
I'll also give it an 8 on 10. And health benefits and everything के हिसाब से
9.5 on 10.
I will give it like an 8.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like there are better alternatives for diabetic people, like protein bars.
It's the same, na?
No, but that has protein, like grams of protein. इसमें protein intake कितना कम होगा?
Yeah, true.
This is just मीठा.
This
सिर्फ
is
रागी बाजरा
better
है.
मीठा alternative.
Better मीठा alternative. भाई खाने के end में जो लोग को मीठा खाने की आदत है उन लोग के लिए perfect है.
Let's go. So this box which contains 6 bars of laddu bar. So it's for 420 and this box contains 6 bars and we got it for 294 rupees.
The last brand we have is this called Up Snack. #up your game.
Nice.
It basically has.
This flavor is refreshing coffee peanut butter.
It's high protein, no added refined sugar, gluten free, no palm oil, and it's basically peanut butter, but it's a little creamy. So again, ingredients can be, it has dark chocolates, dates, emulsifiers, roasted peanuts, and coffee. So
Let's try.
this is 900 grams of like peanut butter. And the pricing of this is also $5.99 on the bottle, and actually maybe उसका price is $5.99. So let's taste this. काफी heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
काफी
You are
heavy है.
fucking it. You have to mix it. क्या ऊपर पानी लग रहा है?
नहीं, it's fine. Ew, brother. खाना मुझे मत खिला.
नहीं सिस्टर. Nice.
At least eat it properly.
नहीं I ate.
Maybe you should not.
समझ गया. It's very nice. You like it? Yeah. So कॉफी का टेस्ट तो आ रहा है थोड़ा सा.
कॉफी का टेस्ट आ रहा है. It's not इतना sweet which I like.
But ऐसे प्रॉपर हैवी लग रहा है ना थोड़ा. The consistency ऐसे थोड़ा.
नहीं, consistency is also fine. I feel खाने में जैसे peanut butter कैसे heavy होते हैं in general also.
काफी कैलोरी डेंस है. 100 ग्राम peanut butter में this has 550 calories which is very high.
100 grams के अंदर 550.
हाँ 100 ग्राम्स के अंदर 550 कैलोरी है.
तो 900 के अंदर मतलब ये बॉटल के अंदर कितना है?
10,000 5,000 ऑलमोस्ट 4,500 कैलोरीज. Crazy.
But peanut butter is also like a very high source of protein.
Yeah, but इसमें इतना हाई नहीं है. जैसे 100 ग्राम में 550 कैलोरीज में सिर्फ 19-20 ग्राम्स प्रोटीन मिल रहा है. So it's calorie dense. But ठीक है, taste good.
Taste good. मतलब if you want to add it in your protein shake, if you want to make like तुम लोग का toast butter and उसके ऊपर काफी लोग डालते हैं peanut butter.
But not for people who are trying to maintain a calorie deficit.
हाँ मतलब I think for me and him we are right now like we are trying to maintain a calorie deficit diet. तो हमारे लिए I think this is not the right way. But for example for like our friends Karan Kapil because they want to gain muscle and increase their
protein intake तो फिर उसके
उन
लिए
लोग के लिए
nice.
perfect है. वो
Yeah.
लोग खा के protein shake के अंदर डाल
Taste is very good.
Yeah, so I think this is going to go to them because we are not going to use it. And how much would you rate it?
Taste wise 8 on 10 and health wise 5 on 10.
Yeah, same. I think for us, I think health wise it's like a 4 or 5 on 10. And I'm not even at the peanut butter
Me too.
preference person. But taste wise, I think it's a good 8.5. It's not that sweet, so I like it. But again, very dense, very heavy, and not my preferred choice. So उसके हिसाब से I think 8.
Yep.
And with that, we're done with reviewing all the brands that came on Shark Tank, जो थोड़े health benefits वाले zone में थे. And I think it was a good spectrum. काफी hits थे, काफी misses थे, because हमारी personal choices भी काफी अलग है, मतलब taste wise.
But it was good. अच्छा basically everyone is focusing on health while providing the taste and the
Yes.
protein intake. So yes, they are trying. But
Yeah.
all the products were good only taste wise, ना?
Yeah. I think काफी new चीजें भी पता चली जैसे the soya thing.
So peanut butter powder.
Yeah, plus the brownie that was so tasty.
Brownie
Like
bump.
again, newer things that we probably would not, try or go for. और हम लोग normally जैसे ketchup खाते हैं तो ketchup की habit हो जाती है. यहाँ पे now we're able to find new alternatives. So I think it's a good direction that we're going in, and I'm so happy that Shark Tank is, like providing that platform for new brands to showcase their products, and the new India is going in that direction. So that is amazing.
Yes, and our pick from these products will be Goat Life. Wow.
Yeah, I think Goat Life was really nice. Even Stroom has to be like, I think we should definitely do a top 3 दोनों के choices के हिसाब से. I'll go
Top
first.
one है यार,
Top 3.
ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं.
चिड़ कितनी गंदी शक्ल क्यों बना कर एनर्जी में आ.
Top 3 products है. The Goat Life, the Goat Life, the Goat Life. Why are you biting?
I think for me the top 3 have to be number
Goat
1 has to
Life,
be the Goat.
Shroom.
You gave yours, and now it's my turn. Goat Life, then Shroom,
Shroom भाई Shroom.
Stroom,
Man, Shroom.
Stroom.
Totally.
The second has to be Stroom because I think uske protein bars were really tasty, and the third has to be the brownie cake thing. Awesome. I think it made awesome products, and it was really.
कैसे बोल रही है ये awesome product के बाद?
I think the brown. मत करना.
क्या किया मैंने?
मार रहा है पैर से. मैंने फिर
कर,
चिमटी
कर,
लेके नहीं फिर
कर।
चिमटी लेके घूमना वाली मैं.
कर.
So yeah, these are my top 3 picks. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because we're trying a new series and we really want to know what you guys think about it. Let us know in the comment section if we should do a part 2 or if we should try more Shark Tank products. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.
So every time we upload a video, you guys are notified, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.